Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this cute sunflower bookmark, which can also be used as a bag charm. It's quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. You'll need milk cotton yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook, scissors, a yarn needle, and a stitch marker. Now let's get started. We'll begin by making the center of the sunflower. Using green yarn, create a magic ring, chain 1. Into the ring, work 6 single crochet stitches. Use a stitch marker to mark the beginning of the round. This will help you keep track of your stitches as you work. Continue by working 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. Once you've completed all 6 stitches, pull the yarn tail tightly to close the ring. And join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet stitch. Now let's move on to round 2. Start by making 1 chain. For this round, we'll be working an increase into every stitch around. An increase means placing 2 single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Continue making 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch around the circle. Repeat the same process in all remaining stitches around. Once you reach the beginning of the round, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet to complete round 2. You'll have a total of 12 stitches. Once you reach the beginning of the round, join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet to complete round 2. Now let's work round 3. Start with 1 chain. For this round, we'll repeat 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then an increase in the following stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way around. 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Continue until you've completed 6 repeats. At the end of the round, you should have 18 stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet to finish round 3. The green centerpiece is now complete. Do not fasten off. Instead, chain 80, or adjust the length to fit your bookmark. Once you've reached your desired length, cut the yarn and fasten off. Next, make a second centerpiece using brown yarn and repeat rounds 1 through 3. Once finished, fasten off and cut the yarn. Now both centerpieces are ready for the next step. Now it's time to make the petals. Place the brown centerpiece on top of the green centerpiece with the wrong sides facing each other. Make sure the chain is positioned between the 2 layers. We'll be working through both layers at the same time to join them together while creating the petals. Insert your hook through the first stitch of both layers, then attach the yellow yarn. For the first petal, work chain 1. Next, into that same stitch, work 1/2 double crochet. Then, still in the same stitch, work 1 double crochet. You can see the petals starting to grow taller. Now chain 2. These 2 chains create the tip of the petal and give it a nice pointed shape. This forms the first half of the petal. We'll complete the shape in the next stitch. Move to the following stitch. Into that stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet. These stitches create the other side of the petal, bringing it back down and giving it a nice rounded shape. In the next stitch, chain 1 and make a slip stitch. That's 1 petal complete. I'll show you one more time. Into the next stitch, work chain 1, 1/2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and chain 2. In the following stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1/2 double crochet. Then in the next stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch. Continue repeating this same petal pattern all the way around the sunflower. As you work, the petals will begin to form, and the 2 center pieces will be joined together at the same time. Repeat until you have a total of 9 petals. Once you've completed the final petal, fasten off the yarn and weave in any loose ends. Your sunflower should now have a beautiful finished center with 9 petals all around. Now let's crochet the leaf. Using green yarn, make a slip knot in chain 16. Starting in the second chain from the hook, work 1 single crochet. In the next chain, work 1 half double crochet. In each of the next 3 chains, work 1 double crochet. Next, work 1 half double crochet. Then work 1 single crochet in the next chain, make 1 slip stitch. Continue with 1 single crochet. One half double crochet, and 3 double crochet stitches. Work 1 half double crochet in the next chain. Then place 3 single crochet stitches into the last chain. This forms the tip of the leaf and allows us to turn smoothly to the opposite side. Now continue working along the other side of the foundation chain. Work 1 half double crochet. Then 3 double crochet stitches. Next, work 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Continue with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 3 double crochet stitches. Work 1 half double crochet. Then finish with 2 single crochet stitches. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet stitch. Fasten off and weave in the yarn ends. finish the project, attach the leaf to the green chain of the sunflower. Position the chain at the middle of the leaf, then tie it securely around the center. After that, use the yarn tail to sew the leaf firmly in place so it stays secure during use. And that's it! Your sunflower bookmark and bag charm is now complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet projects. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!